guys, so today what we're gonna do like a blue eyeshadow kind of thing. I already have my makeup, I already have most of my face kind of already done. I'm gonna do the eyes today. I'm gonna go in with this Master Conceal by Face Studio, and we're just gonna use that as our base for the eyes. And I was like guessing we could do like a blue look today, cause like, you know, why not? So we're gonna go blue. Now we have prepped our eyes, we are gonna go, I'm so undecided, okay, because I don't even know what I want to do. Okay, so we're just gonna go, I don't know if I should use that one or the palette from James Charles. Okay, I'm kind of convinced. So we're gonna be using James Charles today. I'm gonna go in with the light shade with this one first. I'm just gonna put this like in the crease, almost kind of above the crease, and just blend that in. I'm gonna go in with that same blue. I'm just gonna apply it around your crease area. I think we should go dark. It's like, let me just do something simple. Okay, and then we just have this simple kind of thing going on. With the James Charles palette, still we're gonna go in with this darker color, the darkest blue you see in there. Is that the darkest? Yeah, just below that first shade that I picked. I'm gonna go in and just like place this in the outer corner right here. Kind of just like try to blend it into the crease almost. Okay, and then just to blend it in with the other color, with the color below it, we're just gonna go back in and blend. Copy it from here onto your other eye. Okay, so now that they look somewhat similar, we're just gonna go and so now we're just gonna cut the crease and just like halfway, not really the whole shaboom, but yeah. I hope you guys can see it. So now that we have cut the crease, we're gonna go in with the same palette. We're gonna go in with the white here. We're gonna try to like, I'm gonna put this in the middle. In here towards the inner corner. I'm gonna try to, I don't really like this white, it's not showing up. But yeah. As much as we can, and now we'll just come back later. I'm just gonna spray a little bit, get the brush a little wet, and then And then go with this color right here, light, the shimmery blue one. You're gonna go in with that color, just and put it in the middle. Wow, this really sucks. So I guess it's better to apply it with your finger. Oh no. I tried it, y'all saw I tried applying it with the brush and it didn't work. Or I'm just stupid and I don't know how to use it, but I don't know about that. So we're just gonna blend, 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 blend. I don't know why I end up just using my fingers instead of the brushes whenever I do my makeup, and it's like, okay, what are the brushes even there for? But I shouldn't. But yeah, so just go back and fix any little weird things you see here and there. Just fix it up, you know. Pretty much did the hard part already, which was the crease. I don't know if I want to add black. Nah, you know what? I'm gonna just leave it how it is. Copy it. Boom, boom. It's eyeliner time. So I use the NYX. It's literally my favorite. I haven't found any other eyeliner that I like better than this one because it like gives me that matte finish. But yeah, so just go in and do your liner. Eyeliner, if you want afterwards, just like clean it up with some concealer. That's usually what I do. So yeah, just copy it on the other side. So before I do the glitter, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. It's the Brights palette. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Brights palette from NYX. Ooh, almost fell. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use this color right here and I'm gonna put it under my eyes. And just put it under like so. Or should I have done it dark? I don't know. It looks better with the lashes. Everything looks better with lashes, so somewhat like that, and then like, okay, so now what I see now, we're gonna go in with this color right here. It's in gray, like a really gray one. I'm gonna go in with that one and just try to grab as much as I can, and then just go under your eye and press it. And, ah! Don't poke your eye. Ow! Okay, don't poke your eye. Come on, do this. A million times. Okay. it goes from like, you know, the little blue up here, and then down here we do like a light glitter thing. And if you do want to get more creative, you can like add that blue shade somewhere up there, or you could have done this under your eye, whatever your preference. But yeah, I literally love, like, I just love the look of having glitter under your eye. I don't know what it is, but it's just, I like it, and I'm all for it. So yeah, literally I used to do this all the time, but then like I stopped putting on makeup for a bit. But now that I'm back and stuff, yeah. Oh yeah, we're going full glitter. But yeah, there we go. Oh, ow, ow. Try not to poke yourself as much as I'm doing right now. But yeah. But that's done. Any like glitter that fell on your face, just like wipe it away. You know what I'm saying? Just the use. Okay. My hand. I like how this. Okay. Anyway, so now that you have your glitter, your thing, everything, it's time for lashes. So I'm gonna put some dramatic lashes on. So yeah. Okay, so we went full dramatic today because I don't know. But yeah, so after you put on your lashes, you know, you put on your mascara and everything. Okay, so that is like it for the eye. You also have to put in a highlighter. I use the 35V, my 35V Morphe palette. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade, the lightest shimmer shade right here. You know, my palette looks a mess. I use this one a lot, highlighter one, and I just like highlight the inside. Put a little highlighter right there and spruce up the look. Blend it outward, whatever. No, blend it out. Here. Boom, you're done with your eyes. And yeah, let me just finish the rest of my face and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, and then we apply lipstick. This is the same one I used in my previous video. I really like this one. It's literally my favorite lipstick. But yeah, it's yeah, Times Square from ColourPop. I really like it. So yeah. So this is like the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You already know the drill. So yeah.